I know what you're thinking. Holy crud. What did I get myself involved in? As soon as you saw that instrument, you automatically thought it would look cool if I played that. My friends are playing it. But then as soon as you grabbed it, you noticed how heavy it was. And you thought to yourself, uh-oh, maybe this isn't quite what I thought.
That's the thing with tuba. When we first get something that's a little bit more bigger than we thought, we start freaking out. And trust me, as a saxophone player, when I switched from 6th grade alto sax to 7th grade baritone sax, I asked myself too, what did I get myself into? Yeah, I wanted to play it, but then I thought to myself, well, this is going to be a little bit more difficult than I anticipated. Or weight matter, height matter. Wait, how can I hold something like this? To be quite honest, it's not so different from the baritone. If you watched the last video about trombone and baritone, you kind of have an idea already on how to set your embouchure, how to set your aperture, especially when it comes to playing a bigger instrument like this, especially when you see how big that mouthpiece is. Now, rim, cup, and shank. Just like the baritone, a tuba mouthpiece can also have a small shank or a large shank. It all depends on the bore of your tuba and cut. So, this might be a little bit more challenging aside from how you played it with trombone and baritone, because the cup is a lot more wider and a lot more thicker and bigger. It's going to require you to push a lot of air, and I mean a lot of air, to get a sound going. So on this, what we want to go ahead and try doing is try aiming for a low concert F. So you still want to keep the same embouchure, you still want to keep these corners nice and firm, set that anchor, keep this chin nice and flat. And then we're going to do the same thing. Find the crease where your gums and teeth meet and teacup. Just bring it up, just like so. Now, here we go. What you guys are going to try doing right now, what can help prepare you for starting tuba, is just let your lips go into a roll, just like so. Kind of make that sound that a horse makes. And try and see how long you can do that in the mirror. See how mine just kind of gave out just like that? Make sure that your lips are nice and moist. See, didn't work that time. Watch again. Of course, I can get that going for maybe about 4 counts. Check with your brass instructor too and see how they go with about their methods. So now, we're able to get that roll out. Let's see if we can try doing that now with the mouthpiece. So, find the crease, pick up, teacup style, and let's try aiming for that concert up. Listen first. Here we go. 2, 3, 4. Now notice how it's very, very soft. The softer it is, the more you're not pressing your air out. So we want a lot more air. We want to make that concert F a little bit more fuller, a little bit more stronger. So let's try that again. Here we go. 5, 6, ready. Like I said, it's going to require you to push a lot more air than usual. Use the gut. Let's try that again. This time, I'm going to give you 1 and 2, and both of us together are going to breathe in for counts 3 and 4 and see if that helps. Here we go. 1, 2. Again, if that happens, that means your lips are pretty dry. Try it again. 1, 2. And it's okay if you don't get it the first time. It takes practice over and over and over again. You'll be able to get it. Cut.